Today I would like to show you an ancient Roman aperitif, a drink based on wine that was supposed to open the stomach, open the appetite, and that is actually very easy to do at home. All you need is this here. About half a liter of red wine, some honey, pepper, cinnamon, a bay leaf and a date. That's fairly simple. We add honey to the wine. Like that. Add cinnamon, the bay leaf, pepper, and the date. Now mix, cover, and wait for at least 24 hours. Now after 24 hours, let's see how it looks like. It looks good. Let's see how it tastes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. It's actually like a mulled wine, just cold. And Romans thought it had healing properties. I'm not so sure about that, but it tastes good. Cheers.